After verifying your accounts and enabling two-factor authentication, you can deposit your cryptocurrency into KuCoin from Kraken. Begin by logging into your Kraken account. In a new tab, also log into your KuCoin account. On your KuCoin homepage, click on Deposit. On this page, select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive and choose the network. In this example, we have chosen the TRC20 network. You can also choose the destination, whether it's your funding or trading account. Copy the generated address. A window will open reminding you of the reception specifics. Go to Kraken, then access Kraken Pro. Once on the Kraken Pro interface, navigate to your wallet. Click on Withdraw next to your balance. Choose the previously defined cryptocurrency and network. Fees and the minimum amount will be summarized. Adjust the desired withdrawal amount or click on Max to indicate the total amount. Click on Add a withdrawal address, then paste your KuCoin address. A validation email will be sent to secure the process. Confirm the address via the received email. You can then close this page and return to Kraken Pro. Preview the withdrawal and confirm it to finalize the transaction. Refresh the page regularly to follow the status of your operation. Once it is successful, go to your KuCoin account. Check Asset Overview and verify the recipient account you had selected. Congratulations, you have successfully deposited your cryptocurrency into KuCoin by making a withdrawal from Kraken. This operation can be performed in both directions or with other exchange sites.